What's up, people? LV3 here. I know it's been a while since I've done my last video, probably like 3-4 months. Just kind of ran out of stuff that I wanted to post and didn't want it to get boring, so I kind of took a break. Anyway, I've done a couple changes on the Road Glide here. I got different T-bars than I had before. For whatever reason, the other ones kept coming loose, so for safety reasons, I just went ahead and bought the Bong Kings T-bar set and the Biltwell Chrome handlebar. I upgraded my phone mount, which I dropped my phone twice off of it. Okay, so now this is probably a couple days before Christmas, and I bought myself a couple Christmas gifts. I'm going to change the front tire out. I'm going to go with a Shinko 777 in the front, which I just got in today. I'm changing my speakers because the tweeters keep breaking on them all the way around. So I'm going to take this off. That's what I'm going to do today. And I'm just going to work. I'll talk a little bit about it, but basically that's it. Obviously you guys seem to see. I had an issue with it running a little rough. Ended up being an old fuel pump filter inside. I bought a new filter and she's running great now. Or actually I bought a new fuel pump setup and it's running great now. Coming up, I'm going to do a review on helmets. I got a new helmet coming. I bought a Biltwell lane splitter. It's a great helmet. It's really noisy for the intercoms, and we finally got the Lexans to work real good, so I kind of want to enjoy those. But I'm going to do a review because the Biltwell is amazing, but the other helmet I have coming in is night and day difference. So just a little talk on that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and strip this down, take my front cover off and change my speakers. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Now one thing I will say, if you guys have this year Road Glide, which is a 2000, I can't remember, 2009 to 2011 I think, or 2013, the front clip has to mount by the light bezel, and that is a pain in the butt to get on, and then you have to line all this up. Pain in the butt. So I really don't want to do this, but I figure I got nothing else to do right now, so I'm going to go ahead and mess with it. There's 6 T25 screws. Just take them off. You have to take these lights off, which are 1/2 inch bolts, and I think that's it to remove it. Alright, so it's a 1/2 inch wrench to take these screws out in here. Down there, and that's what holds the turn signals on. So if you're going to change your turn signals out, that would be the screws. So I got it loose and it should come right out. Now there's, like I said, 2 hooks. So you have to lift and pull. Okay. push that to the side. But if you look here, these are the two hooks that I'll bring you to it. That these have to hook to. I don't know if you can see it very good, but it is a pain. So alright, so today I'm taking these out, and I bought I bought hogtunes. I bought hogtunes model 3572 AAs. Okay, I usually like to run DS18s and go crazy, but I'm not ready to do the amp and aftermarket radio and all that good stuff yet. So I'm just gonna change the speakers because these are obviously not very good, and just kind of go from there for now. I don't know if the guy that I bought this from used some weird glue or it comes from factory with this nasty glue, but this stuff is disgusting. It gets all over everything. So you see, I mean, they sound really good for factory speakers. These are the upgraded Harman Kardon speakers. So they do sound really good, but as you can tell, my tweeter was broken and it's not mounted to anything. And it did that on a saddlebag. So I'll be buying, replacing those as well. These are 100 watts RMS. So you see the magnet's a lot bigger on them. It comes with the grills, which is why I like them. And it's plug and play. Alright, so this one's in. There's like a weird bolt looking thing here that screws into the plastic, but it's in there good. So that's the hogtunes. And that's Harley's boom. These are their boom speakers. So this here was not letting me put, see, it's like a, it's like a washer style nut. It's weird. Look, that's that glue. This shit sucks. Alright, and that's it. So all you really need for this job is a 7/16 half-inch wrench, T25, and a Phillips, and some patience, because I'm gonna fight this. I'm pretty sure putting this back on, it's a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna check it first before I go crazy putting it back together. Alright, so I'm going to give it a shot on camera, see how hard it is, but I usually fight it for a little. You guys are my lucky charm. I actually got that. See, so it's supposed to be able to go in and just hold itself up. Thank you guys, my lucky charms. Anyway, before I leave, thanks for everybody who's liked and subscribed. I'm gonna be doing some more upgrades to this thing probably in the next week. So just follow my videos. Couple things I don't like about the bike is the suspension. So I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm gonna buy brand new suspension all the way around, performance suspension. And I'm changing this front tire. I know you guys seen me change tires before. I'll put it out just in case, but you really change one, you change them all. So the next big upgrade is gonna be the suspension. I'm gonna redo the fork seals, everything that comes along with it while I'm in there messing around. So anyway, again, I really appreciate all the love. All my Vaquero guys, thank you guys for coming back and watching. And anyway, happy holiday. Later.